Hello, I'm Dr. Poornima. So I work as an OBG specialist in private hospital at Bangalore. I took this course, which is an simulated based comprehensive 2D ultrasound scan, which is for 10 days at GGIRHR. And the course is mentored by Dr. Supriya Shishadri. So our classes are very clear and crisp. She teaches us from the basics to advanced. And this course has an added advantage of which is in simulator based, where we have an opportunity to do hands-on and which are also mentored by Dr. Supriya ma'am. We get the feedbacks that how to do these scans, and the staff at the GGIRHR are very supportive, and I thank them for their support. Yeah, the overall experience at the training was very good. I would recommend this course to other doctors, which will help them to sharpen their skills as well as fine-tune their skills. Thank you.